Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet ears. I have used them for my elf. You can find the pattern for this little elf and for the other Christmas decoration in my Etsy shop, link in description box. Create the magic circle. I'm using 2.5mm crochet hook, but you should use the same hook as you used while making your toy. So magic circle and chain 1. And now make 4 single crochet inside the circle. So this is your first single crochet. This is your second single crochet. This is your third single crochet. This is your fourth single crochet. Now close the loop. So now you have closed the loop, chain 1. Turn your work and make 2 single crochet into first stitch. So 2 single crochet into first stitch. Now 1 single crochet into next 2 stitches. So 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And now and 2 single crochet into the last stitch. And that's it, that's your ear is finished. You should cut the yarn, leave long tail and attach it to the face in place you want it using needle and the tail you left. And for the bigger size, you can either use bigger crochet hook or make 6 single crochet inside the circle. So 6 single crochet, close the loop, chain 1, turn your work and make 2 single crochet into first 2 stitches, then 1 single crochet into next 2 stitches and 2 single crochet into the last 2 stitches. Cut the yarn. If you guys liked the video, please thumb up. Thanks for watching. Bye.